stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. If the sky that we look upon should tumble and fall, or the mountain should crumble to the sea, I won't cry, I won't cry, no, I won't shed a tear, just as long as you stand by me. And darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see, no, I won't be afraid. Oh, I won't be afraid, just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. Whenever you're in trouble, won't you stand by me? Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. Oh, won't you stand now? Stand by me. Stand by me.
Mysterious girl, graceful like a swan, comes like a summer storm, hearing that she's gone. 1 minute she's a bright, sunny day, the next she's a tempest, gone astray. And though she's kinda shy, opens up as she can. Be sure when she's ready, she'll reach for your hand. Capricorn girl, my wildflower, don't be afraid. Discover the world, and if you let me in, I'll never let you down. hand, Capricorn girl, my wildflower. Don't be afraid, discover the world. And if you let me in, I'll never let you down. Don't be afraid, discover the world. And if you let me in, I'll never let you down. His mind works in ways we'll never understand. Some days he's still a boy, at times a fine young man, smiling through life, beating to his own drum, loving our world, a child of the sun. Although he seems to be in his own world, I do believe he's the salt of the earth. Wise old soul, what a beautiful mind. God created you to be one of a kind. He said